Welcome to the world where creativity meets calmness. In this video, where the natural beauty of pine cones and the rustic charm of jute come together to create something truly magical for Xmas. Today we will explore the art of pine cones and jute craft. A beautiful way to decorate, to recycle and to reconnect with nature during this festive season. And let's take a deep breath and let's begin the mindful crafting journey together. The beauty of nature in craft. Look around. Nature gives us everything we need to create beauty. The pine cone, flowers, jute, a simple humble gift from the forest, carries the essence of winter, its layered design, its earthy texture. All tell a story of growth, strength, and calm. And then there's jute, the golden fiber, natural, strong, and rustic. It adds warmth and texture to every craft. When pinecone and jute come together, they create something timeless, something deeply rooted in the simplicity of nature. Why pinecone and jute craft are so special? There's something truly peaceful about working with your hands, feeling the roughness of jute rope, the smoothness of pinecone scales. These materials are eco-friendly, biodegradable, and affordable. You are not just decorating your home; you are helping the planet. Instead of plastic and glitter, you are using recycled organic materials that hold meaning. Every wreath, every ornament carries a story of sustainability and care. When you create with nature, you create with mindfulness. Each knot, each wrap of jute around a pine cone becomes an act of meditation, a moment of stillness in the holiday rush. Let's explore some easy and beautiful ideas you can try at home. Take a few dry pine cones, wrap the top with jute bow and hang them on your tree. Add tiny balls or cinnamon sticks for that cozy Xmas scent. Create a circular base from cardboard or old wire. Wrap it with jute rope, then glue pine cones, berries and dried leaves. Finish it with a handmade bow, simple, elegant and inviting. And let's talk about centerpiece, table centerpiece. Place a few pine cones inside a glass jar or wooden bowl. Add fairy lights, small pine branches, and jute ribbons. Watch as your table glows with natural warmth. Gift wrapping magic. Replace shiny ribbons with jute string. Tie a small pine cone or dried orange slices on top. It adds a handmade touch your loved ones will never forget. Each of these crafts carries the feeling of Xmas, peaceful, natural, and full of heart. Xmas isn't only about gifts and glitter, it's about slowing down. Crafting helps you reconnect with that slower rhythm. When you focus on the texture, the details, and the rhythm of wrapping and tying, your mind relaxes. When you focus on the texture, the details and the rhythm of wrapping, the tying, your mind relaxes. So these interesting ideas are very impressive. You will start noticing small things, the soft crackles of pine cones, the scent of jute, the quiet joy of creations. This moment brings mindfulness, the art of being present, of cherishing every touch, every sound, every breath. So as you create your pinecone wreath or jute star, remember, it's not just decoration, it's therapy, it's peace, it's art from the heart. There's another layer to the beauty, the power of recycling. Every time you use natural or old materials, you reduce waste. You give new life to something forgotten. Old jute bags, leftover ropes, twine, and even broken pine cones can all become part of your masterpiece. Nothing goes to waste when creativity is your guide. This is what makes handmade crafts so special. They carry meaning, memory, and mindfulness. Xmas is about togetherness, and crafting brings people closer. So, viewers, thank you be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. Wishing you a very happy festival, Pinecone and Jute, with love. Because in the end, it's not the decoration that matters, but the peace you feel while making it. Thank you for joining this cozy, mindful crafting journey. May your holiday be warm, creative, and filled with natural beauty. Xmas. Very happy festival and happy new year. Have a very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. We are trying to bring amazing and unique designs. We are creating some beautiful memories with you. We are bringing best and unique ideas for you. So this jute craft idea, jute rope with pine cones ideas, make your decoration fulfilled with natural, rustic, and nature's gift. Hope you're doing very well, enjoying very well. These ideas are very creative and amazing. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Good day to you. God bless you all. May your home fulfilled with craft and love, togetherness, happiness. Thank you. Stay blessed. And may your home fulfilled with love, creativity, happiness. Keep crafting.